it's me, Miranda. Today I'm going to be doing a winter makeover with that palette from Claire's. And you're going to take this color, put it all over your face. As foundation. Work! And now you're going to take this and in this color, use this as a glue. It's sticky. Now I'm going to put some of this color on my lips to make it more luscious. Because you know I'm a model. So. And now I'm going to take this color, eyeshadow. I can't choose which one, so I'll just mix them all. You can dig through it with your fingernail too. And you can put some on the wood. Like that. And now I'm going to do this blue. See? And now I'm going to fill in my eyebrow. Oh, wait a minute. So on the other side. And now we fill in our eyebrows with this color. And you just take it with your finger. Like that. Why isn't it working? Take some lip gloss. Put it up here. Because you want to make it look like it's volume. Okay, let's go to the other eye. And now I'm going to apply mascara, but I don't have mascara, so I'll use this thing. And put the darkest color. I'm going to. Ow! Now we're going to take some sparkle to look like snow. We take that. Use on the brush. Oh. There you guys go. I'm gonna add a little bit of orange to look like you just, I don't know. Oh, you can't forget about the blush. So let's put some blush on. I don't have blush today, so I'll just use lip gloss. I'll use it in this color. I'll use my finger. And it's good to mix colors, so I'm going to do a purple now. Rude!
Miranda, it was not rude.
Are you kidding me?
I'm taking a bath.
Go ahead. Use not a bubble bath. Really rude. It was my uncle. He wouldn't let me have some dinner. Well, he gave me spaghetti instead of chicken nuggets. There you go. I got it in my hair. So that's how yours should look like at the end. I use this color, those colors, all those colors, and that color that I'm showing you. There you guys go. Oh, and your palette should look like that. And no one can recreate this because, you know, I'm the famous one here, so it's just impossible.